Like I was 16, I remember on 15, like I was accepted to go to USA. Like I really wanted to there's a host family that can adopt me and like to have to study 1 year and to be in with the host family. But my family like they did not accept because like I was very young and this was really good, not a good opportunity, but it was like motivated me to because I did not accept the fact that I don't.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an incredibly inspiring guest with us. She's a data scientist apprentice at Orange, a master's student specializing in AI and big data, and a former Zindi Ambassador for Tunisia, and also a regional finalist and runner-up in the Hult Prize. Please join me in welcoming Hind Khayati.
Thank you so much for having me, Srimanti. I'm really excited to share my journey with you all.
Okay, great. So let's start from the beginning. Can you tell us a bit about your early life and what inspired you to pursue a career in data science?
Ever since I was young, I have loved technology and problem solving. So during my university, I was like always eager to join ML hackathons and push my limits. So challenging myself was became a habit for me, and that's when I knew data science was my path to making an impact in my community.
Got it. Oh, got it. Yeah. So you are currently pursuing a master's in data science engineering at ESIEA. So what motivated you to specialize in AI and big data? And like how has your academic journey like shaped your career so far?
Yeah, thank you for the question. It's very interesting. The world is increasingly driven by data. That's a fact. And I wanted to be a part of that transformation. AI and big data have the power to revolutionize industries from healthcare to finance. My academic journey has been crucial in equipping me with both the theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. So through my studies, I have like worked on real-world projects, participated in competitions, and also developed the technical skills needed to thrive in this field. And that's what allowed me to find my apprenticeship in at Orange.
Got it. So you have like a very diverse journey, right? Alongside with your studies, you have worked as a sales assistant and a tutor in maths. So how did you like manage to balance all this along with your college?
It was definitely challenging at times, but I have always been someone who thrives on challenges, on multitasking, and organization. And like it was a good opportunity to learn how to manage my time, how to discover myself. And I made sure to plan my schedule carefully, prioritize, make plan, and stay disciplined. Working while studying also helped me to understand that to develop time management skills, which are very crucial in the professional world.
Got it. Definitely. Time management is an important skill.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Hmm.
When you are surrounded by many tasks and many projects and many deadlines, like you learn to manage your time
Yeah,
effectively, and it's like by progress and by practice.
definitely. Yeah. Um, okay, so what like can you like briefly tell about the lessons that you learned during these like experiences that have helped you in your current role as a data scientist apprentice?
Okay. Like during my first years in France, I worked like multiple part-time jobs, and I was like active in my university, in university clubs, which taught me adaptability to communication, problem solving, which are key skills in data science because like you when you work in the first time in an enterprise and you are working with many teams and diverse projects, you learn how to be autonomous, how to seek information, how to tackle daily challenges that shaped my ability to think like critically and find solutions to each problem that I can find in my way. And that's the first key to succeed in your project. Like adaptability, problem-solving skills, how to communicate, how to share the information, how to enlarge your network, and that I found this very, very important in your career.
Got it. Definitely, I think these skills like are matlab is like even more important than like even
And technical
sometimes,
skills.
yeah, coding and technical skills in general. So this is like a question that I wanted to like ask in general. So how would you say like is the like university structure in France, like in general, it's just a, like a curiosity question, like because in India we generally are working like in we have tech clubs, we have social clubs, and we are generally like working in these, but these are sort of like along with our studies and all, sometimes dance, sometimes music, and other times technical clubs, algorithms and all, but we don't generally do these like part-time jobs and all. So what is the kind of structure do the university provides them, or it's something like you have to find? What is it like?
In fact, last year it was my first year in Paris. So I did not have the solution to provide the money to pursue my degree. So I was obliged to find part-time jobs. Unfortunately, the university does not provide you with like links or something. You're challenged to find like in Indeed, in LinkedIn, to seek your network to find like part-time jobs, and even you can take like your CV and you go there and you ask them and you try to knock in all different doors to find the opportunity. And this opportunity has learned me and has taught me how to search for the information and also to search for the opportunity. And don't wait for the opportunity to come to you because it will never come to you if you don't try, if you don't give efforts. And so in France, what's like being student, it helps you to not just focus on your studies, but to also develop your network, your skills, and being an independent person, which helps you afterwards in your career. Because after that, you'll have many tasks to do, and you have to be like this autonomous person to really succeed in your tasks.
Definitely, I agree. Like I'm not very independent as of now still, but yeah, I would love to be more independent. Like that is why I was sort of inspired by your journey. Like I saw your LinkedIn, like
Oh,
things. Yeah, that's why I wanted to reach out and know more about you.
oh, thank you so much. Like I really want always like to inspire women in the field. Like I know it's very challenging for women to start in tech careers, especially for the beginners. Like you always have the doubts, and even like advanced or like women in the field have doubts. It's normal to have doubts. The essential thing that you find your standards, you find your goal, and you remember every time that the journey isn't easy. I'll always find challenges, and these challenges will develop your character. And women, like when they try and they try to enlarge the sphere of network, each time it will be easier and easier because you'll find like mentors, you'll find like opportunities. Each time it will boost your confidence to pursue more, to elevate yourself, to ameliorate your skills, and that's definitely important in the journey. It will make it like special. And this opportunity, like making with you like this call, for example, is very important because we share the information, we share the message to different persons that you have really to start, and you don't wait for the opportunity to come to you.
Yeah, agree, definitely. Yeah, thank you. These are like very yeah, I mean these are very motivational words. I think how women who are seeing this or any other person who is currently struggling, they can feel inspired to see this.
Yeah.
So before that, were you not in France? Like in early years, you were in where?
Yeah, I were in Tunisia. I did my preparatory. I was in preparatory school in my university. I did 2 years, and after that, I am seeking my. I'm doing masters in France. I have 2 years here.
Got it. I think we also do the same thing, masters. We generally do it outside.
Yeah, I had the choice to stay in Tunisia, but after that, I'm a person who wants to live an international experience and meet different persons and like not just being in a box and don't see the world. Like I want to get out of my comfort zone and challenge myself every day. And like when I compare myself now and 2 years before, it's like totally different. And that's what I like that after 5 years, I see a totally different person. And that's what makes you feel that you are really progressing in your life. Yeah. So
Definitely.
I really encourage every person who is hearing us to just like if you have an opportunity to go to international sphere like even in your work or work with different persons, yeah, don't just hesitate because it's very like a rich experience. Like you will learn a lot from that.
Yeah. I mean, this might even inspire me to do a master's actually.
Yeah, yeah.
I've been thinking to do international masters. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Um, got it. So let's like come back to our data scientist apprenticeship, right? What do you say?
Yeah, apprenticeship. Yeah.
Apprenticeship. So let's come back to our data scientist apprenticeship at Orange. So can you share
Mhm.
what your role entails and what does a typical day in the work looks like for you?
Okay, thank you for the question. At Orange, I work on data-driven projects that involve analyzing large data sets, building predictive models, and optimizing AI solutions that exist at Orange. And a typical day for me involves coding in Python, working with tools like DataIQ, if you know it, UpData, Tableau Server, and collaborating with different teams and to solve business problems. I also spend time researching, making testing new machine learning techniques so that I can improve our models. And that's it.
Got it. Okay. So what are some of the like very exciting or challenging projects that you've worked on during your apprenticeship?
Okay. One of the most exciting projects I have worked on predicting latency in network performance. It's challenging because even small inefficiencies can impact millions of users. Like another project involved is designing an AI model for digital sustainability, which aligns with my interest in frugal AI and green technology.
Okay, got it. Um, so for our viewers, like, so okay, so let's talk about the preparation to become like a data scientist because I think it's a very coveted role in India and I think all over the world, in France and everywhere.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
exactly.
hmm. So it's actually the kind of the it job of 2025, you might say. Okay.
Okay.
So
Um,
yeah, I mean,
mhm.
yeah, go on. Like, how did you
Yeah,
prepare for? Yeah.
and okay, sorry for interrupting. The steps that I take or I advise everyone to like every beginner to build his skills and knowledge is starting with the basics because like the fundamentals are very important to start. Learning Python and SQL before diving into machine learning projects. And also, after that, start with Kaggle competitions because you will learn to manage your skills and also to practice and also build your community in data science. And also, like if you have like online courses, don't hesitate and also working on personal projects because they are very important to apply what you have learned. My advice also networking and engaging with data science community because they will also share with you information that will help you thrive. And like if you find a problem, they can help you to solve it. And it's very rich community and it's very big community, and you will learn a lot from them. Yeah, and this will help you also stay motivated, like because motivation is not you are not always motivated, but like if you find like your community, even when you are unmotivated, you will be disciplined to just go on and practice and everything. Yeah.
Got it. Definitely. Community is very important. Yeah, for anyone, any type of
And
skill.
that's how we have like today we have met like thanks to LinkedIn and thanks to the community and everything. Yeah.
Definitely. Thanks, LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what advice would you give to someone who has like no prior experience in the field, in data science, but wants to start a career in this field?
Okay. The most important one is to start small and be consistent. Consistency is the first thing. Learn Python. Practice with small data sets, not just large, just with small. And also gradually move to more complex projects, like step by step. And don't be afraid also to make mistakes. It's normal. We all, even experts, make mistakes, let alone beginners. So just to try, just ask that damn question you thought it's them, but it's not them. Don't think twice to seek the information because it's very very important. And yeah, it's the part of don't be afraid to just start because it's like when you make mistakes, it's a part of the journey because these mistakes will help you learn many, many things. And yeah, that's the most important keys.
Got it. Um, I think this is very crucial advice for any beginner who is trying to start a career in this field.
Yeah,
Just don't give up. It's very important.
yeah,
Mm. Are there any specific courses or certifications or resources that you would recommend for beginners?
yeah. I highly recommend courses on Coursera like Andrew NG,
Mhm.
a machine learning course, and Google's data analytics certifications like CalGO, DataCamp also can be a good platform for hands-on learning. And yeah, also community. I very emphasize on this because it's very important. Because like I can recommend today a tool, tomorrow it can change because it's very thriving. Very like AI is like changing it from day to like it's very very fast. So just don't always be updated on every tool and try to ask questions and make researches and search everywhere.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Okay, so let's come to the resume preparation for a data science role. So, what are the key elements of a strong resume for a data science role?
Okay. My advice is that you highlight your projects, even they are small projects. You have to highlight, and you highlight also the impact you have or the most important things you have learned from this project. And also you highlight your technical skills and any hands-on experience, even it's small or like even if you are a beginner and you don't have a lot of experience to showcase, just try with the minimal thing you have done to showcase or to highlight the impact that you have made on in your career. And also even if you don't have a formal job because you are it's very normal. It was my case, like I did not work in data science projects before. And last year when I applied, I tried to to showcase what I have learned during my when I was in university. I participated in ML hackathons and everything, but I did not work in real job, and that what helped me even when I communicate within the interview and everything. I try to showcase what I have gained during the during my experiences, but not the hugeness or the but I try to showcase the impact
Mm.
on my career and on my journey. And yeah, I try to showcase Google competitions, hackathon, freelance work if you have done everything. Like you try to see to take an overall view of your journey and to try to summarize it in a good way, and you try to showcase your uniqueness for from other candidates, because like there are many candidates. What will make you stand out, what will make you different from another one, is like your also non-technical skills and also your technical skills combined together, and also your objectives and your goals from this job or from this apprenticeship, or what you aim to do. And yeah, you have to have a clear vision for your career.
Definitely. Got it. Okay. So you were like a Zindi ambassador for Tunisia, right? So, which is
Yeah.
like an incredible achievement. So, can you tell us more about your role and how it contributed to your growth as a data scientist?
Okay. I was being a Zindi ambassador was a great opportunity to connect with female inspiring leaders in data science. Like we always like did exchange sessions to just learn from from their experiences, and to suggest ameliorate suggest if we have ideas for making a change or something in our universities. This helped me to organize, also to participate in organizing hackathons in universities, and also fostering a strong community of aspiring data scientists. It was a really rich experience because I have seen and met many inspiring women in the field, and it has give me the message that it's not impossible. It's not impossible for a woman to thrive in her field and to be excellent in what she is doing, and she can also thrive no matter what barriers or hardships that can be on her way.
Definitely. Got it. Okay. So you've also been involved in like various entrepreneurial initiatives, right? So
Yeah.
how would you like talk about them? How did you come up with that? And what was your like journey regarding that?
Okay. I see entrepreneurship like an extension of data science, because it's like when you work, there are many AI solutions that have business applications. So combining both fields helps me like innovate and create meaningful impact. And that's what I did during my university years. I tried like to be active in AI clubs, and also to participate in different hackathons. And also during my internship now, like there are many hackathons, I try to be active and to participate. And if there are seminars or everything, I try to attend them, to learn more about the experience of advanced people and how they and experts, and how what they did to reach that level and even succeed in their careers.
Got it. So Hult Prize was also something regarding this, right? So you were like a regional finalist and runner-up in the campus round for the Hult Prize. So can you tell us more about the project that you worked on and what the experience was like?
Okay. Participating in Health Prize was really good opportunity and transformative experience, because it taught me how to think like entrepreneur and work effectively on a team and develop innovative solutions. It was like an interesting project that focuses on minimizing the impact of CO2 in the air. And we have developed like 3D solution with the cactus because Tunisia is famous for cactus plants. And like we have tried to inspire from this advantage in Tunisia and combine with the solution in 3D. And we had the chance to go to Rio de Janeiro and to present our solution. I learned from this experience like the importance of resilience. Like if you really believe in your project, you have to go to push the limits, and also to pitch like ideas with confidence because you really believe in what you're doing, and also tune your ambitious concepts into actionable business models. Like when you have like a real vision of your project and where you want to go. This experience also boosted my confidence in taking leadership roles because really from from when I was young, like I dreamed to be, I'm dreaming to become an entrepreneur. And it's really a dream for me because I always want to make a change in my community, even it's a small or big one, even with my friends, in my enterprise, in wherever, in my university. Like I want always to inspire others and to also to take the leader role. And this inspired me to pursue my own entrepreneurial journey in tech.
Got it. So this one, so definitely like, so I mean, I'm just curious about like, how did you come up with this solution in general? Like, this is like reducing the CO2 levels in the air, right?
Yeah.
So, how was it like done? Like in general, was it like most chemistry based, like making solutions, or AI based, or what was it like?
It was not AI based, but it was like an application. You can track your conception of it was like how to say we have developed like prototype, um, the product like you're using for our either for how to say the product that I'm wearing now, like the how to say the I forgot the name in
Fabric fiber.
yeah, the fiber. Yeah, we have we have done the fiber from cactus. It's a plant, and this plant is when we have developed a prototype from this plant. Like it's just a little how to say I don't know how to say in English. That's why I did not prepare it. Yeah, but it's something like that, and we have developed a mobile application connected to this. So
I
it
see.
was not AI based solution.
So something like the fabric of cactus. So that
Yeah.
has some kind of
I don't
mechanism.
know if you got a cactus or not. It's just a plant. I don't know if it exists in India or not. But in Tunisia, there are a lot of cactus.
Got it.
And like we have developed the material from cactus, and after that we have developed an application that can track, like you can sell this product to other to factories and many persons that are interested in sustainability goals, SDGs.
Got it, got it. No, I was just like curious about what it was about. What is like your native language? Is it
My
Tunisian?
native language is Arabic. Yeah, but we talk dialect, the Tunisian dialect.
Okay,
And my second language is French, and now English, third.
I heard. I see.
But what do you think of my accent? It's poor or normal or
I think it's pretty
my
good. Like,
English accent?
mm-hmm.
Because like here in France, we talk more French than English.
So, okay, so as someone who is actively empowering like women in tech, I think that's your main goal, and as well as being an entrepreneur. So, what challenges have you faced in like beginning parts of your journey, or as you are facing right now, and how have you like overcome them in general?
One of the biggest challenges I have faced as a woman in tech is breaking through biases, like proving my skills in a male-dominated field. At times, I have felt the need to work twice as hard to be recognized, like in my case, because it's very hard to prove yourself when you find a lot of males and a rare female. At times, I have instead of seeing this as a setback, I really used it as a motivation to keep pushing forward because it's a very good challenge to prove yourself and to prove that you can do it also. And no matter from where you come, from Tunisia, from India, from I don't know, from Pakistan, from wherever, you can always do it, no matter how different you are. I also surround myself with inspiring mentors, like I joined supportive communities and continuously challenge myself through competitions and real world projects. Over time, also gained confidence and build a strong network because I really appreciate the way people like advanced or experts try to help beginners like me to understand and to step out of your comfort zone and to just not be afraid to start in your field. And my advice to other women is to stay persistent, to stay motivated, to believe in their abilities. Never let obstacles define your journey. And that's it. Really, a strong network can let you grow and can help you really do what you dream of doing. Yeah.
Got it.
Because with thanks to my network, I'm here in Paris and I found the opportunity to come here and to study and to work in at Orange. So really, I experienced that the network can help a lot.
Definitely. Got it. So how did you like decide to come to Paris in the first place? Like who helped you or pushed you? Like why Paris? Like kind of like that.
Okay. Uh, like I was 16, I remember, or 15, like I was accepted to go to USA. I really wanted there's a host family that can adopt me and to have to study 1 year and to be in with the host family. But my family they did not accept because like I was very young and this was really a good, not a good opportunity, but it was like motivated me because I did not accept the fact that I don't go because I really want exchange programs and everything. So I obtained my baccalaureate. I studied 2 years in Tunisia. After that, like I said, it's the right time to just prepare for an international experience. I had like a friend who came here in Paris and France, and he encouraged me to come also to seek the opportunity. And it was like a 1 year preparation because there are a lot of things to prepare, like motivation letters, like recommendation letters, also everything you have done in your university or before you have to prepare everything. And you have to search for the universities in France, in all the universities that can accept many students, and also you pass interviews. And finally I was accepted in 3 months, one in Toulouse and two in Paris, and I finally accepted to come here. And yeah, I did not hesitate to come because Paris, it's like a city where you can find everything you want. Like it's very, very dynamic,
Mhm.
and it's like a limitless environment. You have to challenge yourself to go with the flow,
Mhm.
and
Agree.
that's it.
Looking ahead, so what are your long-term goals in data science and entrepreneurship in general?
Okay, I aim to develop AI solutions for sustainability and social good. I also want to launch my own enterprise where I can coach young women in tech and actively promote diversity in AI.
Got it. So do you still think that like in general in your country or maybe in other countries in France or like other wherever you have been in general. So, do you think that women are less represented in general? What do you think about that?
In my experience in France, I think that women have more opportunities. Like at Orange, they in interviews they encourage women to be accepted or to pursue career and take careers because they try to value their careers and everything. So I think they are not undervalued comparing to men.
Got it. But in other countries might be still lagging a bit.
Yeah, yeah. But in France, like there are many initiatives and many like there are many opportunities that value the role of women and try to encourage the women to pursue to pursue like the
Yeah.
to pursue like take a career. Yeah.
We also in India also we have a lot of initiatives like that.
Yeah, like you have like hackathons and seminars like that.
Groups, tech communities, we have internships that Uber offers, Google offers here.
Mm-hmm.
Some of them
Mm-hmm.
are only for women. They used to be only for women for a few years back, but now I think they are slowly opening to others as well.
No, that's very interesting. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, yeah.
Yeah, so if you like could work on any dream project, what would it be and why?
That's a very good question. Thank you. If I could work on my dream project, I think I would be an AI-driven platform that promotes sustainability and social good, particularly in education and empowerment, because I think that it's the most important tool. Like I would love to create an ethic-driven initiative that provides mentorship and training for young women in AI, helping them break into the field with confidence and like break barriers. And also combining AI with social impact would allow me to use technology not just for innovation, but for creating real opportunities for young women to want to pursue tech fields and making also a lasting difference in people's lives. That's really my dream project.
Got it. That's very good one. Okay. Hence, it's been a great pleasure talking to you and learning about your inspiring journey. Before we wrap up, is there any message or any tips that you would like to share with our viewers?
Thank you so much for having me first. Really, it's a good opportunity to just to know you and to learn more about your initiative and what you're doing. I would just like to say that no matter where you come from, with passion and perseverance, you can achieve your dreams. Keep learning, stay curious. Many opportunities come from connections, so join meetups, participate in online forums, don't hesitate to reach out to professionals. Don't be afraid to take risks and really try to go out from comfort zone because like when you get out from comfort zone, there are where you can find opportunities. So really be ambitious and don't think twice to start again.
Got it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.